This tutorial is brought to you by Braineurysm.com.
Bypass your ISP's DNS and use Google's public DNS for better security and faster load times. A DNS server translates URLs into IP addresses, and if someone wanted you to visit a site against your will, a crook could poison your DNS cache and redirect you to their site, even if you typed in the right URL. You could be inputting the PIN to your checking account into the wrong site. The solution? To use Google's DNS server to do the translating for you. They have implemented many of the recommended safeguards against cache poisoning. First, we're going to go to Start and type in Network and. Network and Sharing Center should be the first one that populates. Click on that. And then go to Change Adapter Settings on the left-hand side. And then this connection right here, that's the one I'm using to go out to the internet. Right-click. Go to Properties. Once that pops up, go to TCP/IP version 4 and then Properties. And then right here is the dynamic IP that your ISP assigns you. Leave that alone. Go to the DNS server and change it from your ISP's to Google's, which is 8.8.8.8. Secondary is 8.8.4.4. Click OK. Close that.
You're welcome.